Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be teaching you this gele. So guys, your SEGO gele is not just sitting down at home doing nothing. So for this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to use your SEGO gele to tie the new trending gele style. So guys, as you can see, the gele is very easy, very simple. You can tie it to owambe parties, to church, or to any event that you want. So don't think that your SEGO gele is just sitting down at home doing nothing. You can use it to tie the new trending gele style. So let me turn and show you the back. So here's the back, guys. The gele is very easy, very simple, very easy and very simple. You can just sit down, put a mirror at front of you and start tying your gele. So guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe, guys, for me to know maybe what I'm doing, you guys really like it. Please subscribe, comment, let me really know maybe what I'm doing, you guys like it. Please comment, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, please guys, I'm begging you. So I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye. This one is about SEGO gele. It's all about SEGO gele. So I want to use this SEGO gele to tie the trending gele for you guys. For some of you that have SEGO gele, just relax. You can still use your SEGO gele to tie the new trending gele style. So don't feel like your gele is just waste. You can still use it to tie the new trending gele style. So, and this tutorial is very simple. It's something that you can just sit down, put mirror at front of you, tie to owambe parties, to church, to any event that you feel like going. So don't feel like your SEGO gele is just sitting down at home doing nothing for you. It's not all about ashoke gele. So this SEGO gele ratio is 50-50. You can see the gele is very long, guys. It's very long. If you know SEGO gele, you will know what I mean. The gele is very long, very long. So that is why I'm doing it 50-50 ratio. Although in my next tutorial I'm going to use the same SEGO gele for you guys, but with another style. So but today let me just do something simple for you guys, for you to just see how to use your SEGO gele at home. So at first I'm going to divide the gele to 50-50 ratio. So after that I'll place it on my head. This gele, guys, for this SEGO gele style, if you like you can create your pleats. If you like you can just leave it like this, but me, I just want to leave it like this for some of you that you don't really know how to create your pleats, so it will be very easy for you to do. So at first I'll just place it on my head like this. After placing it like this, let me turn for you guys to see what I'm doing. So I'll now first the both now. So guys, look at what I've crossed it now. So after that, after crossing it, I will now take the both and guys, look at what I'm doing carefully. I'll now bring back it back like this. I'll now start twisting it. So guys, this gele is very easy. Do not think your SEGO gele will just sit down at home doing nothing for you. So with this style you can actually tie it to church, to owambe parties. So after doing that, I will now bring my gele back like this. Guys, you can see what I'm doing, very easy. So you just continue doing it like that till you reach the end. So let me show you the back, guys. So here's the back. So what I'm going to do here now is to use my office pin to just pin it down. That is all. So as you can see, the gele is very easy, guys. Very, very easy.